They feel just like pasta de bocadillo of Cuba. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Elizabeth, and this is Tangoing in the Kitchen. I don't know if you know, but I'm Cuban. And in Cuba, when you go to a birthday party, there's a plate that was always in the birthday party. And it was called the bocaditos. Don't ask me to translate in English because I have no idea. I have no idea how to translate bocadito. Can you help me? It's, how do you say bocaditos in English? Anyone? Okay, so I'm going to try to make the recipe of bocaditos. I never done that, so it's going to be new. So let's see how it will go. Right now, let's go back to the kitchen. Also, this is the second video of my 30 days YouTube challenge. If you want to help me with my YouTube challenge, don't forget to like these videos and subscribe. My goal is to have at least 150 subscribers by the end of July. Can you help? Thank you. Now, let's go back to the kitchen and I will show you the ingredients that I will be using to make the pasta or bocadito. So these ingredients that we are going to use, we have peppers, already cut. You see we have the mayo, cheese cream, cream cheese. And here, this after when the pasta is ready, you're going to put it inside this little bread. And first, we are going to mix this ingredient in this magic palette. I never use the magic palette for food, so this is going to be new. I have used it for drink and making myself cocktails. So let's get started. So let's start this recipe. Let's see how it will go. Then for the paper. Oh, I forgot to take this off because we are going to use this, so I have to take this off. Normally, people use the green pepper, but you know, this is about a tango in the kitchen recipe with twist. Oh, I forget one ingredient. Hold a second. Sin mí, I forget que voy a hacer ham. You can see, now we have the pepper and some ham. Now we're going to do for now 2 spoons of cheese cream. I'll show you to one. Let me show you to one. I wonder what the final result will be. Let's do some mayo. You can use some little salt too, because I do salt for everything. I wasn't expecting all this. Now let's see what happened. I'm going to close this. I'm going to connect the magic palette and see what happened. Let's see what happened. Just a minute. It hasn't taken any bottom line. I will be back on the stone because I believe I need both of my hands. Okay, I think that's my big dome. I'm going to do a test to see it's just like the pasta bocadito from my childhood. Let's try. Different, or maybe I forgot about it, but I believe that esto might need more hams. I'm going to do a little more hams, and I will be back with the final result. See you soon. Second test. progress. I added a few more hams, so let's do the second test. Yep, they feel just like pasta de bocadillo of Cuba. Now let's do the final touches. We are going to do the final touches by put it inside here. And we have a lot to clean up. And the others. A taste of Cuba. See you in the next one. And see if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to learn about recipes from Cuba or any recipes with a twist. Remember, this is the second video of my 30-day challenge, and the goal is to reach 150 subscribers for the end of July. See you in the next one.